Very much from each of you co-hosts. Mahesh, where are you? Please come in the front. My wife's name is Ra. Please come. 2 chairs a year also. Mahesh is the Raja. So I will announce the co-hosts of the evening. So everybody should acknowledge them and thank them. And with a small group, we've been able to raise more than $10,000. And next time, it's going to be bigger and better. So, Natraj ready? Please stand up. $3,000. Okay. Mahesh Goyal, please raise your hand. $1,500. Arun Bhavitra, 1,000 now, going to be 1,500 by the end of the day. Ravi Chitta, same 1,000 now, it will be 1,500 before they're out of the door, but that's good. But whatever is there, and there are some more people coming with $1,500 contributions. They will be here soon. And there were some issues that we personally needed to discuss with the Honorable Sheriff. Everybody knows his profile, everybody knows he was born and brought up in Puerto Rico. And very successfully, he had a very great campaign. Roberto. Okay, he had a very successful campaign, but he had, sorry, yeah, this is better. So he had a very successful campaign, and normally the LA County Sheriff, if you go back last 50-year history, they have died in office. So that is what LA County Sheriff is all about. And he is considered to be the top cop in the world. Top cop, people don't understand the kind of responsibility sir has. It's, I'm a naval officer from Indian Navy. When I was in India, serving 7 years in the Indian Navy as a lieutenant, retired as a lieutenant, we were only 46,000 sailors and officers of protecting 7,000 kilometers of Indian coast of the Indian Navy. Only 46,000, sir. And only 3,500 officers like me are there of the Indian Navy. Now, over the years, obviously, it has gone to 6,500 officers are there of the Indian Navy. He has 56,000 officers. That's why I respect this position. Because people don't understand. And the LA County Sheriff responsibility is on a daily basis. You see it in the news, anything they'll blame him, which is so unfortunate. You don't need to blame him for something that happens. The kind of things your officers have done on the street, the reason, sir, we wanted to do on the street, yours is the only office that has protected the vendors. He can be a witness since Mahesh lives here. He has seen shootings. People have stood between the armed robber and, listen, in the street, 24/7 there is protection from the Sheriff's Department. So those kind of things, what we see, and then in the news when we hear the supervisor is talking this, supervisor is talking that, and it makes me personally mad, because I know most of the supervisors. So I was telling somebody, why don't we as citizens of LA County tell our supervisors, take care of your business, and let's take care of his business. If we need to write those letters, we can collectively get 1,000 signatures plus. You can count on us, sir, no problems. But they should not be bothering you when you are doing an excellent job. There's no reason for you to be in the news every day. The supervisor, Mark Reddy Thomas is doing this or he is doing that. That's ridiculous. Once you're the sheriff, you're the sheriff. But count on our support. And I'm sure Ravi Chitta, Arun Bhavitra, all of us will support you, sir. Each one can get 500 signatures for you. And tell the supervisor, mind your own business, sir. Now enough said, I want all co-hosts to come forward one by one and say a few words. I'll start with the highest. Natraj Reddy, please come forward. Natraj Reddy, please come forward. Don't be shy. There are people who get shy, sir. They work hard, but they want to be behind the scene.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity and good evening, everybody. We will be supporting you all the way wherever you want. We've been supporting last 15 years Sheriff Department. I personally contributed a lot and I brought Dr. Reddy to the Sheriff Department and he contributed a lot. And he owns most of the hospitals in LA County. So soon I'm going to bring it to you and I'll introduce to you, Dr. Reddy. Thank you again.
Thank you, Dr. Reddy. Give a big round of applause to bring in 3,000 now. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. For the balcony, beautiful balcony. Ravi, I think this is a good place, right? This balcony is a good place. What do you think? Absolutely. Yeah, this is the best location. Thank you, Mahesh. You worked very hard.
काम कर रहा है? You are talking. Welcome to everybody and thank you for honoring you for your election and I wish all the best for you and I am praying also God to bring you back again and what the Kevin say, I was a witness here when the Golden Jewelers, a lot of people with the arms, almost 4 or 5 people, they were robbing with a gun point and your department people they catch all of them. That was very proud moment for the Sheriff Department. Yes. And I feel very protected from your department for my business. Because I deal also very expensive stones, gemstones. And I see certain time when people robbing the other vendors, I get scared too. So that's natural. So, but with your guys' protection, I feel very safe and we proud of you as our community sheriff and we wish you all the best. Thank you so much for being here to having honor us.
Thank you, Mahesh. Great support. Give a big round of applause to Mahesh for everything also. Now, let's talk about a very prominent Indo-American who took the challenge to run for senator. And I'm very proud of him because as a senator, he came number 3. And I told him, it's good. He came number 3. Dianne Feinstein is 83 plus. So, God forbid, I'm not saying she should. But he has a chance. Arun, we want you to, right now you're running Rolling Hills, but we actually want to see you to be there as a senator. Please come forward and say a few words to everybody. And sir, please support him next time.
Good evening, everyone. And guys, it's nice to see pillars of the Indian diaspora over here. Only Kevin can put together an event like this. Thank you all for coming. Honorable Sheriff, thanks for being a great friend of India. Now, I looked at his bio. So he has a connection with the Indian people from New York, Queens. That was the cradle of the Indians coming into America. That's number one. Number 2 reason, last time when Kevin hosted the reception for him at Queen Mary, the sheriff liked Indian food so much that he went for a second, third round. Thank you for liking our food, sir. And third is tonight. This is election eve. All over the country, law enforcement is worried and concerned what's going to happen tomorrow. They are all bored up. But the sheriff is such a good manager and delegate of authority that he's taken the time to be with us today. Thank you so much, Sheriff. It's a pleasure. I think, like my previous speakers have spoken, our success as business people is security and safety. We can only function if law enforcement cooperates with us. And that's what LA County is. I live in one of the contract cities, Palos Verdes Peninsula, so does Rashmi. And the service compared to the other police officers like Torrance and Palos Verdes State is remarkable. And thank you, sir, for keeping us safe. And with that, I give the mic back to Kevin. Thank you.
Thank you. Great job. Give the senator next slide, please. I saved the best speaker for the last because he is the intellectual among all of us. And that's Ravi Tilak. He has grown up from the Harvard Institute from India, like I mentioned to you, called IIT Mumbai. Me and Arun Bhumitra are from the second tier, like not City College, like here, but Cal State of India. We became engineers like from there. My wife is an engineer from Michigan. She grew up here. So, would you like to come and introduce Ravi Tilak? Sneh? Okay. So, Ravi Tilak, a very successful entrepreneur from IIT Mumbai, and made a mark for himself here. And I requested him to giving the audience the demographics of India, which is pretty well aware and is pretty active in the community. So with this, I invite Ravi Tilak, please come forward. And also, let's talk about the Indo-American Advisory Council, which I've already suggested to Sir. So he's going to go back and look into it, because India is the largest democracy in the world with 1.4 billion people, and the demographics Ravi Tilak is going to, and what way this advisory council can integrate with the sheriff's department. We can have a separate meeting for that, sir. So, Ravi Tilak, please come forward.
Thank you, Kevin. I'm looking at the moon sitting over there, and I'm saying in my mind what a perfect evening it is to honor somebody and to mention our support to him from our hearts, straight from our hearts. And when you express such a wish, facing the moon, it is said that the wish reaches the heaven and it comes into reality. So the fatherly figure amongst us, the moon is considered as the synonymous to the mother part of the nature. The fatherly figure is sitting here. He is the protector. And the protector sitting along with the loving mother is the best combination one can have. Now I will come to the special issues that all the immigrants face in USA, especially those who come with certain diversified religious backgrounds also. You see, there is a saying, very interesting one, that you can take a man out of a country, but you cannot take the country out of a man. Because his whole psyche, his whole entire presence of a person, the entire country is embedded in it. So when an immigrant moves from his native country to a foreign land, which is his first location of finding peace, and that is the department that Honorable Sheriff runs. So, when I was chatting with him earlier this evening, he mentioned that what is his focus on is not to promote officers based on how many people they have put in the jail, based on how many tickets they have issued on the streets, but where he emphasizes is, how have you helped to correct the person that you have caught doing something wrong? Now that is very big. That is very big. And I attribute that aspect also to his Puerto Rican origins. You see, that culture in that country is so beautiful. Everybody is so loving because it's blessed by Mother Nature. And the sheriff is carrying that with him. So in view of that, when Kevin proposed to him that we should have an Indo-American council here, working in advisory capacity to bring out the issues, and also to suggest to them in which many more ways their own departments can function more productively, effectively, and maintain a rapport with those they are protecting. I think that's going to be an amazing council, and we will stand with you to put together a great group of people from diversified professions, doctors, engineers, lawyers, businessmen, traders, international traders, as well as community participants and community servants who work within the non-profit organizations. And such a diversified group will be an amazing group to have, because Los Angeles is already a sister city with many cities of the world, including my city from where I come from, Mumbai. And therefore, we are very much looking forward as members of Indian community within the matters of maintaining law and order within the greater city of Los Angeles and becoming and truly making their citizens as world citizens. And whatever you would like to ask out of us in that realm, please don't hesitate. And with that, I will give my everlasting thanks to our beloved community leader and my dear friend Kevin. So the microphone is back to you.
Thank you, Ravi. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Great speech, great motivational thing for the Angelinos. And this is how next 20 years we can all live before we go into sunset for us all. I'm 60, going to be 60, so 80. So it's 20 years. Okay, now I want to invite Rashmi Shah. Everybody knows him. The guy, he never says no. You give him a work at 2 o'clock in the morning, he is there. Rashmi Ji, if there is a Bharat Ratna